Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to switch on and off the label of a visualization using a IronPython script. Get into the video. So I'm just running the script. As you can see, it's enabling the labels, and again clicking it is disabling the label. So I will show you the script. So here I have written an IronPython script here. As you can see, I'm just expanding it. Okay, let me expand it. Okay. So first I'm importing the visual libraries. Then what I'm doing is in a page, document.page, I'm just accessing all the pages. In pages, I'm accessing the visualization. And we are taking a visualization as a visualization content here. And here what I'm doing is I'm checking whether the visualization is a text area or pie chart. So this code won't work in text area and pie chart. As we know, text area doesn't have any label, and pie chart it is not compatible. And here I'm just checking the label visibility. So if the label visibility is none, I'm just changing that to all. And here I'm just checking whether if it is not equal to none, I'm just changing it to none. So this is a simple script. Let me know if you have any doubt. Post it in a comment. I will explain it in a separate video. So just closing it and run. So I'm just adding a pie chart here to show a difference. So if you can see, it is not affected by this code. So if you are not adding that single line of command which I showed you now, the script will throw the error. I will show you that as well. So this particular line, I'm just adding it. Okay, if I add it, it will be a error. So I'm just removing the pie chart. Cut. Okay. So I'm just running the script. See, it's throwing error. Pie chart object has no attribute label visibility. So that is why we need this one. So that